A lot of users want to delete photos from Google Photos as well. But how to complete that? Just watch on. This is a full guide for you. Delete all pictures from Google Photos. Open Google Photos. Turn off Backup and Sync. On photos.google.com, select first image. Hold Shift. Select last photos. Click Delete icon at the top to remove all pictures. Remove images from device only. Method 1. Omit the photos from device. Step 1. Open Google Photos on your mobile phone, and then elect a photo. Step 2. Now, you can tap on the three dots icon on the top to open the menu. Step 3. Tap on Delete from Device to remove the picture from your phone. Method 2. Remove all the device copy at once. Step 1. Go to Google Photos settings, free up device storage. Step 2. After that, the application will find out the photos that have been backed up to Google. Step 3. Finally, you can click Remove to delete all the device copy on the device. Method 3. Delete pictures from gallery. Step 1. Open the Photos app on your phone. Step 2. Select the photo you want to remove, and then tap on the trash bin icon to delete it. If you want to delete multiple pictures at a time, you can long press one picture, and then check all the images.